What's up, YouTube? Skunk72, Southern California. I believe our summer is here. It's like 90 degrees today. I don't think I'm really doing a vlog today. I've already vlogged this week. I just wanted to I don't know. I don't really want to complain, but I have had a couple issues. Those of you know, I did a Bell SRT Modular helmet review. I got it, I don't know, somewhere near the end of last year. It might have been like October or something like that when I got it. And shortly after I got it, one of the brass ferrules that operates the internal sun visor popped out of place. And there's absolutely no way to get to it without taking out the EPS liner. Well, Bell customer service is absolutely amazing. I contacted them late on a Thursday. By Friday, they had shipped a new helmet out to me to replace the broken one. And by Tuesday, I had my new helmet in hand. I've been riding on it here and there. I don't get much chance to ride, but I rode to Thrashin the other day to pick up a couple things. And I didn't notice until the next day when I walked by my helmet sitting on the counter. My top vent, the plastic piece to open and close the vent, was gone. Blew off the helmet at some point during the ride. Now I'll throw a picture up here in the corner and let you see what that looks like, and then you can also see the size of the adhesive that was used. Now again, Bell is my favorite helmet maker. Their helmets seem to fit me the best, and that's not going to change because of this. Luckily, because I still had the helmet that they warranted and replaced, I pulled the vent off of that one and used some nice 3M double-sided tape to attach it to this helmet. So I'm hoping that works out well. I did it all right. I heated the 3M tape up before I put it on the piece. Then I heated it up again and cleaned everything before putting it on the helmet. So hopefully that will stay there, but I'm just curious, has anybody else had any issues with Bell helmets? Like I said, I absolutely love them, and I don't intend on changing helmet brands at all. I just wonder, is this a one-off or what? Anyway, if anybody's got any insight on it or has had any problems with a Bell helmet, just let me know. We'll discuss it. Talk to y'all later. Peace out.